So behind me, you can see this is a simple roof replacement we do all the time. We were able to pull our permits, get everything all situated before. Had our gutter guys come out yesterday, remove all the gutters. Then this morning, our crew came out, started removing all the felt, started removing all the old shingles, and inspecting the wood, making sure there's no damage to any water damage to any other structures. There's no damage. We add synthetic felt right here. In these valleys, you can see there's ice and water shield just to help kind of any excess moisture not being able to get to that roof. After this stage, you'll see we'll add the shingles, then we'll replace all the pipe flashings, all the vents, make sure everything's secured properly. Then the next step is cleanup. So as you can see, we've already done demolition and we're taking off all the felt, and it's still fairly clean. We put tarps down everywhere to make sure we pick up any nails. Then after all this, we walk the entire property with a magnet to pick up any spare nails that may have fallen after or during the process of the repair. We'll do a visual inspection for any trash, any leftover debris, anything like that. We'll meet with the homeowner, make sure if she has any concerns, we can come out here, fix it, and help with those concerns. So if you have any recent hail damage or any big storm came your way, feel free to call us out. We'll come do an honest inspection. We'll give you the truth about your roof and let you know if it does need a full repair or if it just needs to patch it up or if you're good. But give us a call and we'll send someone out right away.